Welcome to my camera series. Here is my collection of Canon A1. You may think that I have too many, but when I was a teenager, my parents could not afford to pay this kind of camera. So this is a little bit of revenge on life. I am collecting them. And today I am going to speak about the topic of replacing the battery door. As you know, it's a fragile piece of the Canon A1. But before we do that, just want to show you this 1.2 aperture, 50 millimeter. This is very rare. Actually, this is worth more than a Canon A1 body. So let's go into the repair. You will need only 3 tools to do the job. You will need a specially beveled plier with the bevel at 30 degrees. You see, 150, I've put it. And if you look at the details, okay, let me actually show it to you the way it has been done with the grinder. A drill bit, 1.5 millimeter, and then a set of watch screwdrivers. This is it. You need to pull the shaft towards you with a small screwdriver that you put behind the shaft so that you can slide the spring on the shaft. Then you slide the door and the spring on the shaft. Now the hinges of the door are in position, and I'm going to slide the shaft back towards the bottom of the camera. Et voilà, you push nicely the shaft through the lower hinge and then into the hole of the case. Now the last thing is to put back the spring in its resting position on the upper position of the shaft. Et voilà, the spring is in position, the shaft is through the 2 hinges, the lower and the upper, and here we go. It's closed and it's done. Job well done. There may be affiliate links below in the description of the video in case you need the spare part door and some of the tooling. Thank you very much for watching this video. I have many more camera videos. And why is it related to car and train? Well, it's because car and train, it's about photos and videos, so I am also into cameras.